No one enters paradise solely through their deeds. It is only through Allah's mercy that salvation is attained. Recognizing this keeps a believer humble and hopeful. It encourages constant repentance and reliance on Allah rather than pride in one's actions. A heart that regularly turns back to Allah remains alive and connected no matter how many times it stumbles. Preparing for the hereafter is not about fear alone. It is about hope, purpose, and direction. It gives meaning to struggles and comfort during hardship. When a person lives with the awareness that every moment is an opportunity to earn closeness to Allah, life becomes richer and more intentional. The hereafter becomes not something distant or abstract, but a reality that shapes every choice. In the end, success is not measured by how much we gained in this world, but by how prepared we are to meet Allah. Those who live with the hereafter in their hearts walk this world with wisdom, humility, and peace. They understand that this life is temporary, but what comes after is eternal. And they live every day preparing for that meeting with their Lord.